Hello guys, so welcome back to Josephine's channel. So today in this video we are going to make pineapple upside down cake. So first we've got butter 50 grams, then we've got brown sugar 50 grams, and we've got pineapple, but we're going to use 3.5 slices of pineapple. So that will be for the topping for the pineapple cake. So first I am going to put the batter in, and I am going to soften it down so it's nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of hand muscle mixture there. Then I'm gonna add the soft brown sugar into it. So as you can see, it's all mixed together now, very soft, and I am going to be spreading it in the baking tray. So we've not got a round baking tray, so we're going to use this one today, and I'm going to spread it inside. So I'm adding all the pineapple to it now. So I need to push it down a little bit. As you can see, that's done. Then I'm going to put it aside and get the cake mixture started. So first I have got 100 grams of sugar, caster sugar to be precise, and I've got 150 grams of flour, cake flour or self-raising. Then I have got 2 large eggs, as you can see. Then I have got a teaspoon of baking powder, 100 grams of soft butter. You can choose salted or non-salted. Then a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I'm going to put in my sugar first, and I am going to add the butter to it. Just to make the batter a bit soft, I am going to use the spoon and push it down a little bit so it can really mix well. So I'm going to use a hand mixture to mix it up very soon after this. So, but if you got the electrical one, you can also use it as well. So I'm going to use the electrical hand whisk and mix it for about 5 minutes. So it's gonna be well mixed, so you will not be able to feel the sugar in it. So I'm just gonna really mix it well. So now I'll be adding in, so I'm just mixing it just to make sure it's all nice and smooth. I'll be adding in my eggs one at a time, and I'm going to mix it in one at a time as well. Then that's my secret ingredient, buttermilk. It makes the cake very nice and moist. So I am going to add 2 tablespoons into it as well. So you can try it with it or you can leave it out. So if you want to have it in, you can, but you can also leave it out. You don't necessarily need it, but just to make it nice and moist. That's why I added it in. So I'm going to mix it again. So here we go. I'm just going to show you the buttermilk. So I'm going to mix it really well for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to put in my baking powder in, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to also add in my self-raised flour. I'm going to put it baked at the time, and I'm not going to use the hand wicks because I don't want the cake to be hard at the edges. So I'm just going to use the spoon to mix it nice together. So as you can see, it's all nice and mixed, and I am going to pour it into my topping, so which I already did. So I'm going to put the cake butter into my topping, and I'm going to spread it out. So there you go. So shaking it a little bit to take out all the bubbles out.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, so my sister came over today and she made us some pineapple upside down cake. I did the taste test and guys, it tastes amazing. I hope you try it and give us feedback on the comment down below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel and you will see more. God bless you and stay tuned for another video. Bye.